So you apply it just like randomly. You don't have to do it like in a certain pattern at all. Just doing it. You can see that how I applied this one. Okay. Here for 30 seconds. Here you go. 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna get this one out. This is the same tray. I just pull it out because it had so full of, look at this. It's a 2 full tray. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Let me wipe off all the residues on the crystals. And then I'm gonna leave it right here. So we have 4. It's gonna so excited. This is one of the favorite seasons of the years for me and my family. Okay. I'm gonna get that one. Can you get me that one? Or should I do should I do the pink? I should do pink. Can we do a pink?
We can do pink.
Pink is
But
cute
yep,
though.
so today's already holiday theme. So let's stay on theme, and tomorrow we'll do all the pink one.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give it a good rubs on. So I did underneath it was number 25 pure whites from a Glitz Gel polish. Look at that.
Yep. And the pattern will stay on however you apply your premium transfer foil gel. So she gave it a little wiggle. So you have a little wiggle right there on the edge.
And I'm gonna using the newest iHo gel line art, and then this is illuminating. So this is so gorgeous, and it's reflective with the black lights. I'm gonna move it right there. So I'm not using it. I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a like really Oh, so back in to continue with the conversation, I said that I did number 25 with the pure white gel polish, glitz gel polish, and here for each layers for 60 seconds, and I did a top coat. Okay, so I did a matte top coat, so then that way this will not, just in case you're getting your gels on, it will not destroy the colors of, not sticking on this part that I don't expecting to. Okay, great. All right, so here for 30 seconds. I love this one. It is solid. It absolutely solid. It's the particle is so solid. So when you are drawing, it feels like a solid colors instead of just like illuminating and a platinum finish. So it's like give you a solid look instead of you have to do it 10 times. Just like one time you can create this really beautiful solid look. Maybe it's this one that reflects it looks so good though. Okay. All right, so I am go ahead and using these condensed glue gels. Now, if you don't want anything else, you love this look like that, just go ahead and top coat using a wet top coat, and here you're good to go. But if you want to add some crystal, I'm going to add some condensed glue gel, which is you are going to get this crystal trifecta with this kit as well. You can see right, it was in a new arrivals. It's a new arrivals for Black Friday exclusive kits. So when you are after this special is super sales, you either will see this kits or you might not see this kits. Because if you see this kit, then it's probably price is not the same, or you might not see this kit at all. So the great value and a great variety, so many varieties for you to create your nail art, your crystal placements, pretty much have everything you need. And especially with the the SS mix. We have AB. You have the color mix, and then you also have the glow in the dark, and you have is a neon. All year round can use. All right, voting red or rose gold. I have this red. It's beautiful, and also this one that come in the red too. Look at that, how beautiful it is. See that?
You don't like it, might as well go with red.
Which one? I'm let everybody voting.
Use your red.
Red? Okay, then red then. I'm gonna use it red right there. Oh, I love this. Look at how it's turned out. I'm gonna give it like a little, like you place them on and make sure you give it a little press down. So then the base of the crystal will stay right on and gets like anchored right into the condensed glue gels and the white top coat. I'm gonna get this on. You know what? What's gonna be perfect? The ones I created yesterday in the tray, it worked great with this one. You know that? The red and the green, and that one, the red and the
Red, green, gold.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. No. It's already Okay, I'm gonna get some of the frame over here. If I can get it out because it's a lot. Okay. I'm gonna move this one. Usually when I have a lot of, I usually pour this in one end. I'm in one tray and get more as I needed it, but this tray is so full, which is great because we needed it. Okay, I need the La Luna. I need the moon and stuff like that. I can't see it. There's so many. Okay.
Too much.
Like he'll give up. You're like, how can I find it? Am I using the arrow from the frame as well? No, I want this one. There's only one.
That's the one I got.
I need another one. There's a lot to the point that you can't dig it, huh? It's like I love it. You can definitely have so many designs for this. You found one for me?
I'm gonna pick all the little and hopefully we can use it.
Oh my goodness! You wanna see this? I love it.
Oh my god, you even have a fork in there.
It's good. Hi Tina from Facebook. Oh my god, I want to save this. So adorable. That's the best thing about it. There's so many of mixed frame and the beads on the kits. You get so many of ideas of what you can create, and is, you know, you have no limitless. Like no limits. I mean limitless. I said no limitless. It's funny. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Did you find any? Next one?
Smaller.
Oh my god, tiny.
Yeah, so recommendation, when you got this kit, give it like a good hour or so you can sit down and get used to how much stuff you have in this kit. Is amazing.
It just so amazed. Okay, in the meantime, I'm looking for more. Couldn't find it. No, you can get it in that kit though. Right there. You can find it easy. Have you ever give up on like so many of products? It's a I want to continue doing some beads on. More beads. You know what? If you don't want any beads on, the client's like, oh, Nancy, I don't want any beads on. I just want the crystal on. That's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just not doing it at all.
Yep, just so you know, you never need them in the first place.
I'm gonna get the frame. There you go. Okay, I just drop it.
Hey, Mariana. Thank you for tuning in.
Hey Mariana, thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, so back in, back. Good. You absolutely can continue however you would like. I did really like it. This looked like that. And also, you know, it's not like if the clients don't want any crystal on, absolutely you can just top coat after you transfers the transfer voice on and keep for 60 seconds and you're good to go. This one is just for some of the designs for the theme. Our things that place the crystal